Hi guys, my name is Willem Seni. I'm going to show you how to change the RAM on your Lenovo NAS today. This is my first YouTube tutorial. If you'd like to give me the support, give me the thumbs up if this really helped you. If you'd like to subscribe or just give me that like, I'd appreciate that. Anyways, let's get started. So first thing you'd want to do is open your Lenovo NAS. Let me just get that into better view. And what you want to do is take out your hard drives, guys. These are very, very sensitive. You don't want to be working with them inside your Lenovo NAS, and it will actually make it easier for you to work on this thing because you're going to need to open it up and actually take components out of it. Anyways, before we get started, I just want to show you the tools that you need. You need a Phillips head screwdriver, otherwise it's called a star screwdriver. That is all you need for the job. It's not too complicated. Let's get started. Guys, so first thing that you want to do is take out these 3 screws that hold down the cover. So after you've done taking those off, what you're going to do is basically slide this cover back and up. And it comes off easy like that. So that's not too hard. What you want to do next is you want to take out this bracket that holds the motherboard down. So you want to get the bracket, take it out, and what you want to do next is unplug your fan and the front display. So all of these, your USB interface, these lights here, this display, and then the fan inside your NAS are all connected to the top there. So what you want to do next is take this screw off. So there's a screw on the side here. Okay, so what you want to do next is to take this out. So there's a screw down here and there's a screw up here. Just take those screws out. What these do is they hold that SATA connector that connects your hard drives. Okay, so this is what the connector looks like. Basically has those SATA connectors for the power, and I think the eSATA thingy. This connects to the motherboard itself. Anyways, let's continue. So just make sure these wires are out of the way. And what you want to do next is pull the motherboard out. You have the RAM right there. All you have to do if you want to take it out is just to clip it out. And that's it. This is what it looks like. I think it's called a DDR3 RAM stick. I tried putting on a 4 gig RAM stick and it didn't work, so I put this 2 gig RAM stick back, and I'm not sure if the limit is 4 gigs or if you can push it further than that. Maybe it was the RAM stick that was not compatible. So if you want to put it back together, you just do the reverse. So I'm going to speed this up now, guys. Alright guys, so to put this back, or to put the cover back, there's clips on the front and there's clips on the bottom and also at the top. So what you want to do is you want to slide it down and then forward. Just make sure it's flush, and then you slide it forward. Make sure all the corners are flush, make sure the bottom sides are clipped in, and then you flip it on its front side, and all you have to do is put those 3 screws back in. Alright guys, and that's it. That brings us to the end of the tutorial. Alright guys, and that's all you really needed to change the RAM on your Lenovo NAS. A Phillips head screwdriver, 5 minutes of your time. And if this doesn't start up, or if it doesn't boot up after you change the RAM, it probably means that it's not compatible. So you should change back to what it had beforehand. So all you have to do now is just put your hard drives back in there and you're good to go. Thanks for watching guys. Remember to subscribe and like if this video helped you.